While at the Sardine Run, our assistance was needed. A sardine boat had tragically capsized, claiming the lives of individuals on board. One body is still missing. Today, the drone was used for more than just capturing beautiful sights. We took to the air to aid in the search for the missing body, hoping to bring closure to a tragic set of events. Although we failed in our primary objective, the ocean revealed a sight both mesmerizing and somber. Below, a massive shoal of sardines shimmered, drawing numerous predators. Sharks and gamefish darted in and out of the shoal, showcasing the beauty of nature. Yet amidst this breathtaking scene, the gravity of our mission weighed heavily. All involved searched tirelessly, hoping to bring closure to those affected by this tragedy. Our hearts go out to the families and friends of those who lost their lives. Rest in peace to the legend of sardine netting, Mr. Goolam, Farid, and the missing Sandile. Each year, as these sardine shoals arrive on our shores, your memory will live on, and your spirits will be honored.